welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do algebraic expressions. Our learning objectives are a brief view of concepts of definitions, algebraic expression, addition and subtraction of algebraic expression, multiplication of algebraic expression, multiplication of a binomial by a monomial, multiplication of a binomial, some standard identities. First is a brief view of concept and definitions. In algebra, we come across two types of symbols, namely constant and variable. First is constant. Constant, a symbol having the first numerical value, that is known as constant. Variable, the symbol which take various numerical value, means this value keep changing, is known as variable. For example, the parameter p of a triangle of side A, B and C is given by p equals to 1 multiplied by A plus B plus C. Here 1 is the constant because इसकी value change नहीं होगी, fixed है, that is constant. A, B and C are variable. The parameter p of the square of side is given by p equals to 4 into s. Here 4 is a constant, whereas p and s are variable. Next is algebraic expression. A combination of constant and variable connected by any fundamental operation like plus, minus, division and multiplication are called algebraic expressions. Terms, the different part of the expression separated by the sign of plus or minus are called the terms of expression. For example, 6x square minus 4xy plus 5y square plus 7 is an algebraic expression consisting 4 terms. One is 6x square, other is minus 4xy, next 5y square and 7. So these are the 4 terms in given expression. Next is factorial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression that contains more than 2 terms, especially the sum of terms containing different integral power of the same variable. First is monomial. An algebraic expression containing only one term is called monomial. For example, 3xy minus 7, 2x, 2 by 3 x, y square z, etc. all are monomial because they contain only one term. So they are monomial. Binomial, bi means 2. An algebraic expression containing 2 terms is called binomial. For example, 7x plus 9y, 2x plus 7. So they contain 2 terms. So they are binomial. Clear? 2 monomial containing unlike terms when added give binomial. For example, 5x plus 4y, but 5x plus 4x is not a binomial because add करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 9x, which is monomial. Next is trinomial. Tri means 3. An algebraic expression containing 3 terms is called trinomial. For example, x square minus xy plus y square, 3 terms, so it is a trinomial. Next is factors. When one or two numbers or variable are multiplied, then each one of them or their product is called a factor of product. A constant factor is called the numerical factor, while the variable factor is known as little factor. Next is coefficient. The coefficient of term is the numerical part of the term. For example, coefficient of minus 5x square y. So numerical part is minus 5. So it is the coefficient. Clear? Next is constant terms. Constant is a number which has a fixed numerical value. For example, the expression 3x plus 5y minus 4 upon 3. The constant term which is minus 4 by 3 because it does not contain any variable. Next is like terms. Term containing the same variable part, same letters and same exponent are called like terms. For example, 7xy and minus 5xy are like terms because both are containing x and y. So they are like terms. Next is unlike terms. Terms containing different variable parts is called unlike terms. For example, 5x and minus 4xy are unlike terms because it has only x and it contains x and y. So they are unlike terms. Next is addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. To add algebraic expression, we add like terms. The sum of like terms is also like terms having the coefficient equal to the sum of coefficient of these like terms. We'll take an example. Add 3x minus 5y plus 3z minus 8x plus 4y minus 2z and 5x minus 3y minus 7z. So, three expression hai, we have to add them. So, 3x minus 5y plus 3z minus 8x plus 4y minus 2z plus 5x minus 3y minus 7z. So, like term को add करेंगे 3x and minus 8x. So, we'll write the like terms together. 5x minus 5y plus 4y minus 3y plus 3z minus 2z minus 7z. So, that is equals to minus 4y minus 6z because 3 and 5 that is 8x and minus 8x cancel हो जाएगा and minus 5y 4y minus 3y that is equals to minus 4y z 3z minus 2z minus 7z ये ऐड हो जाएंगे 7 and 2 9 minus 3 that is minus 6z. Clear? For subtracting two algebraic expression, it is better to write the expressions to be subtracted below the expression from which is to be subtracted from. We change the sign of each term which is to be subtracted and the resulting expression is added normally. But here we shall subtract using brackets. We'll take an example. Subtract 2x plus 3y minus 5z from minus 4x minus 2y plus 3z. To subtract the expression, we change the sign in its each term and add. So, minus 4x minus 2y plus 3z में से हमें subtract करना है 2x plus 3y minus 5z. So, minus 4x minus 2y plus 3z. बार माइनस का साइन है, साइन चेंज हो जाएगा minus 2x minus 3y plus 5z. Solve करेंगे, we'll get minus 6x minus 5y plus 8z. Next is some important observations. A combination of constant and variable connected by plus, minus, multiply and division are called an algebraic expression. The different parts of expression separated by plus or minus sign is called the terms. Next is exercise 7.1. Identify the constant part in each term. 3x cube y. So 3 is the constant part and x cube y that is variable. Clear? So constant part हो जाएगा 3. Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is multiplication of algebraic expression. In multiply algebraic expression, we follow the rules of sign in multiplication and the law of exponent in multiplication. First is rule of sign in multiplication. The product of two terms with like sign is positive and the product of two terms with unlike sign is negative. Means if both are positive, the product will be positive, or both are negative, again the product is positive. One is positive and other is negative, the product will be negative. Clear? Next, laws of exponent in multiplication. To multiply two literal with the same base, we add the exponent. For example, x to the power 5 multiplied by x to the power 2. Here the base is same, so we'll add the power x to the power 5 plus 2, that is x to the power 7. Next is multiplication of monomial. When multiply monomial, we follow these two rules. The coefficient part of the product of two monomial is equal to the product of their coefficient. The variable part of the product of two monomial is equal to the product of their variable. For example, multiply minus 6x square yz with 5 by 6 xy cube. Both are monomial. So multiply करेंगे. So simply first हम क्या करेंगे, कोफिशिएंट पार्ट है माइनस एक्स एंड 5 बाय 6 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एक्स स्क्वायर वाई इंटू जेड एंड इसमें हो जाएगा एक्स इंटू वाई क्यूब. सो ये हो जाएगा -1 इंटू 5 दैट इज -5. एक्स की पावर क्या है 2 और 1, सो 2 + 1 हो जाएगी 3. वाई की पावर हो जाएगी 1 + 3 that is 4 and z. So answer is -5x cube y to power 4z. Next is some important observations. The product of two monomial is equal to the product of coefficient of the two monomial and the variable. Next is exercise 7.2. Solve the following. 7x multiplied by 5x square. 7x multiplied by 5x square. So coefficient part हो जाएगा 7 and 5. 7 into 5 that is 35 and x की power 1 and 2. X is power 3. That is our product. Next is multiplication of a binomial by a monomial. When we multiply a binomial by a monomial, when we multiply each term of the binomial by the monomial, for example, multiply 1 by 2 xy square minus 1 by 3 x square y by 6x square y square. Here, this is a binomial and this is monomial. Clear? And verify your answer. X equals to 1 and y equals to -1. So सबसे पहले हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 6x स्क्वायर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है बायनोमियल से. सो दिस मोनोमियल विल बी मल्टीप्लाई बाय ईच टर्म ऑफ द बायनोमियल. सो 6x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 by 2 x y स्क्वायर, देन माइनस का साइन है सो विल पुट द माइनस साइन एंड 6x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 by 3 x स्क्वायर y. सॉल्व करेंगे सो गेट 3x क्यूब y 4 माइनस 4x is to power 4 y cube. Now we have to verify. Now verification, put x equals to 1 and y equals to -1. So first LHS को solve करेंगे. 6x square y square में will put the value, so that is equals to 6. Now 1 by 2 xy square minus 1 by 3 x square y में value put करेंगे, क्या आएगा, that is equals to 5 by 6. So 6 into 5 by 6 that is equals to 5. Now right inside here we'll put the value, so that is equals to 5. That means right hand side equals to left hand side, hence proved. Means ये दोनों side जो है equal है, left hand side equals to right hand side. Clear? Next is multiplication of binomial. When we multiply one binomial by another, we multiply one binomial by each term of other in order to add the product. We'll take an example. Multiply 3x square plus 5xy and x minus 5y. So column method 3x square plus 5xy multiply करना है x minus 5y से. So first minus 5y और x minus 5y है, so what will do? Simply दोनों टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. फर्स्ट x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3x स्क्वायर को, so what will get 3x क्यूब. देन प्लस 5xy से करेंगे, so प्लस 5x स्क्वायर y. नाउ विल मल्टीप्लाई both the terms with minus 5y, so we'll get minus 15x square y minus 25xy square. So like टर्म को like के नीचे लिख दिया. So that is equals to 3x cube minus 10x square y minus 25xy square. Clear? perfect file. Check your answers by expanding the factors and see whether you get back the original expression. One more method is there, horizontal method. 3x square plus 5xy multiply by x minus 5y. So what we'll do, 3x square को हम इन दोनों से multiply करेंगे, then 5xy को इन दोनों से. So we'll get 3x cube minus 10x square y minus 25xy square. Clear? Next is some important observations. To multiply a monomial by binomial, we multiply each term of the binomial by monomial and add the product. To multiply any two binomials, we multiply each term of one binomial by each terms of other and add the product. A binomial contains two terms and the trinomial contains three terms. Next is exercise 7.3. Solve the following. 5a multiplied by a square plus a plus 3. So 5a multiplied by a square plus a plus 3. So what we'll do here? 5a को पहले a square से, then a and then 3. Each term से multiply करेंगे. 5a multiplied by a square, that is equals to 5a is to power 3 plus 5a multiplied by a, that is 5a square, plus 3 into 5a, that is 15a. We can arrange it 15a plus 5a square plus 5a cube. That is our answer. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is some standard identities. Identity. An identity is an equality which is true for all the values of variable. Following three identities are very important. Identity 1. A plus b is to whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b का whole square we can write it as a plus b multiplied by a plus b. So a multiplied by a plus b plus b multiplied by a plus b, that is equals to a square plus ab plus b square. That can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can also write it as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Thus, the square of binomial in the form of a plus b square is equal to the square of its first term plus the square of its second term plus twice the product of two terms. Identity 2. A minus b is to whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b का whole square, that can be written as a minus b multiplied by a minus b. So a multiplied by a minus b and minus b multiplied by a minus b, that is equals to a square minus ab plus b square, that is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Rearrange करेंगे a square plus b square minus 2ab. Clear? Thus, the square of binomial of the form of a minus b is to whole square is equal to the square of its first term plus square of its second term minus twice the product of the two terms. Next is identity 3. A plus b multiplied by a minus b, that is equals to a square minus b square. So a plus b multiplied by a minus b, a को multiply करेंगे a minus b से and b multiplied by a minus b, that is equals to a square minus ab plus ab minus b square. Cancel हो जाएगा a square minus b square. Thus, the product of sum and the difference of two terms is equal to the difference of their squares. Now we'll take an example. Evaluate 4x plus 7y multiplied by 4x plus 7 pi. So here 4x plus 7y multiplied by 4x plus 7y. So we can write it as 4x plus 7y का whole square. That means a plus b का whole square. That can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab in this form. Solve करेंगे 16x square plus 49y square plus 56xy. That is our answer. Next is some important observations. For all the values of a and b, a plus b to whole square that is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b to whole square that is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b multiplied by a minus b that is equals to a square minus b square. Next is exercise 7.4. Use the suitable identity to multiply a minus 5 multiplied by a minus 5. So we can write it as a minus 5 is to whole square. So a minus b का whole square क्या होता है? a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square plus b की वैल्यू क्या 5 means का square that is 25 minus 2ab means 2 into a into 5. So that is equals to a square plus 25 plus 10a. That is our answer. Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is, let's recall. Multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. The numerical coefficient of x square in the expression x cube minus x7 x square plus 8x plus 4 is. So this term contain x square. So numerical coefficient is minus 7. So B is the correct option here. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now to practice it.